In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage Google Cloud Storage. Navigating Google Cloud Storage, or GCS, can initially seem daunting. However, by implementing the right mix of access controls, configuration adjustments, data policies, and monitoring strategies, you can manage your storage environment effortlessly. Let's dive into a thorough exploration of the essential steps you should follow to make the most of your GCS experience. First, it's crucial to control access using Identity and Access Management, often referred to as IAM. IAM is your go-to tool for managing who can do what with your storage buckets. With IAM, you can assign specific roles tailored to your users' needs. For instance, there's the Storage Object Viewer role. This role allows users to view objects and associated metadata without the ability to modify them. Then, there's the Storage Object Creator role, which provides the capability to upload or create objects without granting permissions to delete or overwrite existing content. For situations that require full access to manage objects, the Storage Object User role is your best bet. Should you need comprehensive control over both objects and buckets, the Storage Object Admin or Storage Admin roles are available. However, a key principle in managing access is ensuring that you grant the least privilege necessary. For instance, opt for viewer roles when you need read-only access and creator roles for those focusing on uploads. It's important to avoid broad roles like storage admin unless absolutely necessary, as they can inadvertently grant more access than intended. IAM roles are incredibly flexible and can be assigned at various levels, whether at the project, bucket, or even folder level. This allows for precise control tailored to your specific storage structures and user requirements. Next, consider using uniform bucket-level access for a simpler and more secure permissions model. This feature relies solely on IAM and disables any legacy access control lists, or ACLs, leading to cleaner and more efficient permission management. To enable or disable this feature, you will need to have the storage admin role assigned at the bucket level. Before you jump into enabling uniform bucket-level access, it's wise to check if ACLs are currently in use within your system. You can do this by reviewing your metrics, which might include indicators such as ACL's usage. Ensuring compatibility beforehand will save you potential headaches down the line and make the transition smoother. By following these guidelines, you'll not only streamline your Google Cloud storage management, but also enhance your data's security and accessibility. Taking the time to set up your storage environment thoughtfully will pay off by making daily operations smoother and more efficient. Remember, thoughtful planning in cloud management paves the way for seamless and secure data handling. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your cloud computing experience.